Hey, John here from LNF, and in this video today I'm going to talk about keeping your WordPress site secure with WordPress updates. So when you log into your WordPress backend of your website, many times you'll see things like this notification that there's a new version of WordPress available, and there might be some other updates, like you might have some plugin updates. So let's go here into the update section. So it's really important to keep your WordPress up to date, and the reason for that is, well, there's usually a very good reason why there are these updates, and a lot of the times it's because they find vulnerabilities that people can exploit to get access to your website, to bring it down, or to maybe put their content, their links on there. So they come up with updates to close these vulnerabilities. So what you want to do is make sure that you're always on the latest version of WordPress. Now if you've got, let's say you've got multiple updates, you've got a WordPress update up here, you've got plugins you need up to date, maybe even your themes need to be updated. You might be thinking, well, where do I start? So the general rule is you start at the top. So do your get your latest version of WordPress if you need to, and then once you've taken care of that, or if there's nothing there, then you come down to plugins, do update your plugins, and then when you're finished with your plugin updates, then if there's any theme updates, you would do those. Now, me personally, before I upgrade my current version of WordPress, if I'm doing a WordPress update, not so much a plugin or a theme, but a different version of WordPress, I usually like to make sure my backups are working correctly, just in case things, if they don't turn out right, I can always go back to a previous version of my website. So we'll cover that in another video, but yeah, the backup software that we use and recommend for ourselves and our clients is Updraft Plus. You can use it for free to upload backups automatically to Amazon S3 or even Google Drive. So they're not even kept on your web hosting server, they're kept on the cloud, and they're great for doing, and Updraft Plus is great for doing restores. So I highly recommend Updraft Plus. So okay, so I've already checked my backup, so I'm going to go ahead and upgrade to the latest version of WordPress. Okay, so it's done the update and then it's redirected to this page. So let's go back to our updates area. And yeah, so that's all fine. Now what a good thing to do once you've updated this is just to go and visit your site and make sure it's appearing correctly, everything looks okay. So that all looks good. And now I'm going to do my plugin updates. Alright, so that's all done. So we've done all our updates now. Now I want to show you something that you might not be aware of. There is a way that you can automatically update your plugins. Now with here you can see, here's all the plugins I've got on my website, and you can see here that automatic updates is enabled because it's given me the option to disable it. Like I'll just click on disable. So if you're ever looking down at your plugins and you see something like enable auto updates, go ahead and enable it. By enabling it, what it does now, it'll automatically update your plugins for you, which I think is a great idea. WP Rocket, which we just updated, it doesn't have that functionality for whatever reason, unfortunately. So that's why I've got to manually update it. But another you can enable updates one by one, or you can tick all your plugins and come here and select enable auto updates and then click apply, and then that'll enable auto updates for all your plugins very quickly. Now the other thing is themes. So if I go to appearance here in the menu, appearance and then themes, you can actually set your themes to auto update as well. I'll show you what I mean. So let's say I go into, I've got 3 themes here, Astra and WordPress's 2024 and 2023. So let's say I go into 2024 theme, I click on theme details. You can see here it says enable auto updates. So if I click on that now that theme is going to auto enable. Let me just, sorry, I'm just going to move my, okay, I'll just close that. And I think my Astra is already, yeah, it's already enabled for auto updates. Yeah. So that's all I wanted to share in this video. Again, it's really important that you keep on top of your WordPress updates. It does make a difference how well your site will perform. It helps your site to perform best at its best, and it'll help so that you don't have issues with your site. Also, it will help you to keep it protected from people that will potentially want to hack your site for whatever reason. So that's it for this video. If you need any help with your WordPress site or your online marketing for your business, feel free to come and contact us, where you can find our contact details at lf.asn.au. Thanks so much for watching.